Thank you for coming to Pfizer's presentation on pharmaceutical ethics. For every drug that we make at Pfizer, we conduct a series of rigorous clinical trials where one group receives the drug and another group receives a placebo, a sugar pill. But there's a problem. Imagine for one moment that group, that placebo group, is filled entirely of cancer patients, and we believe that our drug can cure them. Because they're in the placebo group, we have to just let them die. How is that ethical? Well, at Pfizer, we have deduced a new form of clinical trial. From now on, everyone in our placebo groups will deserve to die. From now on, our placebo groups are going to be made up of assholes, narcissists, incompetent dipshits, and moronic fuckwads. We are talking the kind of people who will take up 2 parking spots or not silence their cell phones in the middle of a crowded theater. Literal murderers, and worst of all, people who ride their bikes on the sidewalk. All of these people we can safely and ethically condemn to a regimen of sugar pills for the rest of their lives, which will be short, trust me. Don't get bent out of shape, people. We're talking school bullies, literal Nazis, landlords, and I want to preface this one by saying it's not just my personal preference, but my next door neighbor, Alan, who backed his car into my mailbox and whose dogs bark at all hours of the night at nothing at all, and his children bully me. I'm a grown man. He has lupus. We can safely put all of them in the placebo groups because their lives have no value and therefore ethically can be expended in the name of science. So, how do we determine who is in which group? Well, we administer a series of moral tests that none of the participants are themselves aware of. And over weeks, we monitor them up until the moment that we decide whether or not they get the placebo or they get the actual drug. Now, each of you is probably asking yourself the same question. What happens if someone in the placebo group meets their soulmate? And they fall in love, and that person changes them for the better. Good news. That doesn't happen in real life. Grow the fuck up! People do not change. Take for a moment 24-year-old Paul Haggerty. Do you honestly think that this man can change for the better?
Yo, this crowd's popping, bro.
Look me in the eye and tell me you think he can change. Look me in the eye. Do it. I dare you. I fucking dare you. You can't do it.
Yo, what should I caption this?
I don't care. Does this man deserve life-saving treatment over, say, a sweet grandma?
We out here.
Him, a volunteer firefighter. Which one are we going to give the drug to? We cannot allow a world in which it's him. Oh my God. He doesn't even know why he's here.
What'd you say?
He has polio. We offered him the vaccine. He actively chose not to get the vaccine. At this time, I will accept any and all questions.
Merv Horowitz from the New York Times. What gives you the right to be judge, jury, and executioner for your trial participants?
You said Merv Horowitz?
Yeah.
Next question.
Derek Johnston of Fox News. I was wondering, under this new set of rules, would the poor be grouped into the placebo group?
Yeah, doy!